Oh! I'm so glad we made it! Oh look! It's a waterfall! What? Oh! Where is it? I don't know! I think he's right here! Hey, look! Here!
Wait, oh, there it is!
It's very white!
Ooh, I'm getting wet!
Oh no! Let's not get wet though! Then we didn't bring extra clothes! Me too! I wish we could taste this beautiful water!
Oh goodness!
Look, we can wash our hair in it. Mommy, wash my hair! Wash my hair. Okay. I don't really make those noises while I wash my hair. I got thirsty.
Seriously. Take my cup. There's a flower for you.
It's so Starbucks.
Roses. What can we do? Oh wait, phone call. Hey, yeah? Hold on. What? God, no.
Wait, let me take a picture. Oh wait, let me take a picture of you. Wait, you gotta get behind the waterfall. Get behind the waterfall.
Starbucks.
No. Wait, it's charging.
Oh wait, better.
Oh yeah, señorita.
Actually tastes really nasty. There you go.
I want to taste.
Okay, bye! Bye, we miss you. Wish you were here with us.
Come save us.
Save us from what?
The waterfall.
Okay, bye.